Hey guys, Tom from ZIC MOTO Garage. Today we're going to install a really easy mod. It's the radiator cap from Paragon Performance. Very easy installation. All you have is 3M tape here. You remove this. Basically just stick it right on top of here and the installation will be complete. But before we do this, what I want to do is clean that with some alcohol to make sure it does adhere properly. All right. Okay, now we just remove that 3M back of that tape. Always fun to do. Nothing's ever easy. It's annoying.
3 hours later.
Just press it on. For about 30 seconds or so. Let it adhere initially. After that, it would take a good day for it to adhere really well. All right, and your installation's complete. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you more great content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.